So you want to become a millionaire, but you don't know how. It's easier than it sounds. You just gotta do the math. So go ahead and Google compound stock calculator and then go to this website called NerdWallet. So let's say you have 5K laying around under your mattress. This is gonna be your initial deposit. And then there is coming a hard thing. Your monthly contribution should be 1,000 every month. So if you don't spend money left and right, you save every month exactly 1K. Try to do it for 6 months and then it become your habit. And then let's set up investment time span, which is 23 years. And then we're gonna take the average return on the stock market, which is 10%. And then boom, you are a millionaire in 23 years. Without building any businesses, working 9 to 5, saving money and then putting them in the stock market. And this is why compounding effect called the eighth wonder of the world. You could play around with all these parameters depending on your case.